Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the biggest global payment platforms in 2025, Airwallex and Wise. If you run a business that deals with clients or suppliers around the world, this comparison will help you decide which platform gives you the best mix of convenience, cost savings, and international reach. We'll go through an extended overview of each, we'll explore the main features and the pricing as well as the pros and cons, and you will see which platform wins overall. Let's get started. Airwallex started out as a fintech company focused on simplifying cross-border payments for modern businesses. But today it has grown into a full global financial platform, offering everything from multi-currency accounts and international transfers to expense management tools, virtual corporate cards, and payment APIs that let businesses automate financial operations. It's often described as a next-generation business bank account, but it's actually more than that. Airwallex gives businesses access to local bank details in multiple countries, allowing them to receive payments like a local business. It also lets you hold, manage, and convert over 60 currencies within a single account. What actually stands out about Airwallex is its enterprise-level focus. It's built for scaling startups, e-commerce brands, and international companies that process large transactions or want to integrate global payments directly into their system. And over time, Airwallex has also added accounting integrations, corporate cards with advanced controls, and automated payables, turning it into a one-stop platform for handling international money flow, team expenses, and even payroll. Now let us talk about Wise Business. It was formerly known as TransferWise. This one has built its reputation on transparency and simplicity. Wise is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and remote-first teams who need to send, receive, and hold money internationally, but without the complexity or extra fees that traditional banks usually charge. It's essentially a multi-currency business account that lets you hold over 40 currencies, get local account details in major regions like the US, UK, EU, and Australia, and make international payments at real exchange rates with no hidden markups. Wise keeps things simple, no confusing tiers, no enterprise level dashboards, just clear fees, an intuitive interface, and extremely fast transfer periods. It's also known for its transparent fee calculator, showing you exactly what you'll pay before confirming a transaction. That level of clarity has made Wise a global favorite for small businesses and freelancers who value predictability and cost control. Now let us talk about the features of both. For Airwallex, multi-currency wallets to hold, manage, and exchange over 60 currencies. Local account details in key countries so clients can pay you like a local. Global transfers with competitive FX rates and fast delivery times. Corporate and virtual cards with spend controls and approval workflows. And there's also expense management tools and integration with platforms like Xero and QuickBooks. Developer APIs that allow businesses to automate payouts, mass payments, and internal accounting. Team management features for assigning roles, limits, and transaction visibility. And really, Airwallex shines for teams that want a complete, scalable financial solution with advanced capabilities. How about the features of Wise? Multi-currency accounts to hold and convert over 40 currencies easily. Local account details in multiple regions to receive money globally. There's low-cost international transfers at real mid-market exchange rates. Business debit cards for employees to spend globally is available as well. Batch payments for managing multiple suppliers or employees at once. It has integrations with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero. And also, here's the transparent fee display. You always see exactly what you'll pay before sending. Really, Wise Business focuses on giving users simplicity and transparency. Now, let us talk briefly about the pricing. For Airwallex, there's the Explore plan that you can try for free, which costs about 19 euros per month. There's the Grow plan at 49 euros per month, and the Accelerate plan at 999 euros per month. This is for large businesses. And here's the pricing for Wise. For the personal accounts, registering with Wise is free. Sending money varies by currency, but you'll be charged from 0.33% of the amounts that you're sending. If you're spending with your card, it's free. For ATM fees, 1.75%. And if you want to get the Wise debit card, you pay £7. pounds. You want to convert money? It starts from 0.33% off the amount you're converting. Now, what are the pros and cons of these platforms? Let's start with the pros. For Airwallex, it's a powerful all-in-one global financial platform. It is excellent for scaling businesses and startups, and it has advanced automation and developer tools. And the pros of Wise? Extremely transparent and easy to use. There are no subscriptions or surprise fees. And it is great for freelancers, agencies, and SMEs with simple needs. It also has an excellent mobile and web experience, and it's fast as well as reliable globally. How about the cons? For Airwallex, it has a slightly steeper learning curve for small teams, and the tiered price can be more expensive if you only use it occasionally. How about the cons of Wise Business? It lacks advanced automation, and there's limited scalability for very large organizations. So which one wins in 2025? Well, I'd say it depends on what type of business you run and how complex your financial operations are. If you are a startup or growing international business that needs automation, advanced spend controls, programmable payments, and support for multiple global teams, then Airwallex is your best choice. But if you are a freelancer, you're a consultant or a small business owner who just wants to send and receive money easily across countries, then Wise will be your best friend. It's simple, transparent, and cost-effective, and it's perfect for those who value ease and clarity over complexity. And that's it on the comparison between Airwallex and Wise. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Revolut Business, Payoneer, and Stripe Treasury. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.